Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome. Here's a quick little video clip that shows you how to work ahead in Edgenuity should you desire to do so. So let's say I want to work ahead. And the problem is Mr. Vanderfloot hasn't posted the assignment with the guided notes yet. Okay. So let's say, so here we are. So first of all, make sure that so you don't click on next activity. You want to click on, right, don't click on next activity. Click on the tile. And let's say I want to work ahead, right? And here it is. I'm going to do the population growth lesson. And Mr. Vanderfloot hasn't posted the guided notes yet. So you don't have them. Well, you can get the guided notes if you find the blue heading of the lesson, click on the little plus here, and then right here it says view the guided notes. So if you click on that, it'll open it in a new tab, and then choose the button here to open with Kami, and it will open it with Kami. And then you can go ahead and fill in the guided notes as you go through the lesson, and then just save it in your, right? If you save it in your Google Drive, then when I do post that assignment, you can turn it in. Okay? So that's it. All right. So if you have any questions about this, send me a message through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. But it's pretty straightforward. All right then. Take care now. Bye bye then.